ഈഗിൾ സ്വിങ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. FSSA ആക്ട് 2006 ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ ദയവായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടി നിങ്ങൾ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് ലഭിക്കത്തുള്ളൂ. നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു FSSA, ഡാഷ് മീൻസ് the interactive exchange of information and opinions throughout the risk analysis process concerning risk, risk-related factors and risk perceptions among risk assessors, risk managers, consumers, industry, the academic community and other interested parties, including the explanation of risk assessment finding and the basis of risk management decisions. Options: risk assessment, risk management, C risk analysis, D risk communication. Answer option D risk communications. ഈ ആക്റ്റിൽ കുറേ ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ ചോദിക്കാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അത് നന്നായിട്ട് നോക്കി പഠിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ദ ഫുഡ് അതോറിറ്റി ഷാൾ കൺസിസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് എ ചെയർപേഴ്സൺ ആൻഡ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് മെമ്പേഴ്സ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 18, ബി 20, സി 22, ഡി 25. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 22. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. According to FSSA, any person who, whether by himself or by any other person on his behalf, manufactures for sale or stores or sells or distributes or imports any article of food for human consumption which is substandard shall be liable to a penalty which may extend to. Option A 2 lakh rupees, B 3 lakh rupees, C 5 lakh rupees, D 10 lakhs rupees. Answer option C 5 lakh rupees. Next question. According to FSSA, compensation to consumer in case of injury to consumer other than death and grievous shall not exceed. Option A 1 lakh, B 2 lakh, C 3 lakh, D 4 lakh. Answer is 1 lakh. Option A. Next question. According to FSSA, compensation shall be paid at the earliest and in no case later than dash month from the date of occurrence of incident. Option A 1, B 3, C 6, D 12. Answer is 6 month. Option C. Next. First recommendation for one comprehensive legislation on food with food regulatory authority concerning both domestic and export market made by Prime Minister's Council on Trade and Industry in the year. Option A 1992, B 1995, C 1998, D 2004. Answer option D 2004. Next. The dash shall have administrative control over the officers and other employees of the food authority. Option A chairperson, B chief executive officer, C central advisory committee, D all of the above. Answer is chief executive officer. Option B. Next question. Establishment of limits for use of food additives, crop contaminants, pesticide residues, residues of veterinary drugs, heavy metals, processing aids, mycotoxins, antibiotics and pharmacological active substances and irradiation of food is of. Option A chairperson, B chief executive officer, C central advisory committee, D food authority. Answer is food authority. Option D. Next question. According to FSSA, No insecticide shall be used directly on article of food except fumigants registered and approved under the Act. Option A FSSA, B Insecticide Act 1968, C Pesticides Residue Act 1969, D Pesticide and Fumigant Act 1969. Answer is Insecticide Act 1968, option B. Next question. The Commissioner of Food Safety for the state for efficient implementation of food safety and standard is appointed by option A Food Authority, B Central Government, C State Government, D Chairperson of FSSAI. Answer is Central Government, option B. Next question. Section 36 of FSSAI is option A Food Safety Officer, B Designated Officer, C Commissioner, D Food Authority. Answer is Designated Officer. Next question. As per FSSA, an appeal against the order of rejection for the grant of license shall lie to the dash of food safety. Option A Food Safety Officer, B Designated Officer, C Commissioner, D Food Authority. Answer is Commissioner. Option C. Next, the need to converge all food laws to have a single regulatory body was emphasized by Joint Parliamentary Committee on Pesticide Residues in its report in the year option A 1992, B 1995, C 1998, D 2004. Answer is option D 2004. Next question. Standard Committee of Parliament on Agriculture in its 12th report submitted in dash decided that much needed legislation on integrated food law should be expedited. Option A April 1998, B April 2004, C April 2005, D April 2006. Answer April 2005, C option. Next question. According to FSSA, who shall be responsible for inspection of food business, drawing sample and sending them to food analyst for analysis? Option A Food Safety Officer, B Designated Officer, C Assistant Commissioner, D Commissioner. Answer is option A Food Safety Officer. Next question. According to FSSA, dash in relation to any article of food means the probability of an adverse effect on the health of consumers of such food and the severity of that effect consequential to a food hazard. Option A risk management, B risk, C risk analysis, C risk analysis, D risk communication. Answer is risk. Riskന്റെ definition ആണിത്. Next question. Who has the power for recognition and accreditation of laboratories, research institutions and referral food laboratory? Option A Food Safety Officer, B Assistant Commissioner, C Commissioner, D Food Authority. Answer is option D Food Authority. According to FSSA, Food Safety Officer should send how many parts of samples to designated officer? Option A 2, B 1, C 5, D 4. Answer option A 2. Next question. According to FSSA, dash means a scientifically based process consisting of the following steps. First step is hazard identification. Second step, hazard characterization. Third, exposure assessment. And fourth, risk characterization. Options: risk assessment, risk management, risk analysis, risk communication. Answer is risk assessment. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തിരിച്ചും ചോദിക്കാം, റിസ്ക് അസസ്മെൻറ്റിൽ ഏതൊക്കെ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സാണ് വരുന്നതെന്ന് ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പം ഈ 4 ഓപ്ഷൻസ് വരാം, അതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം ഇല്ലാതെ വരാം, ആ രീതിയിലൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ അത് നോക്കി വെക്കണം. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ്, എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. അത് നോക്കി നന്നായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കി നിങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു FSSA, പെനാൽറ്റി ഫോർ മിസ്ലീഡിംഗ് അഡ്വർടൈസ്മെൻറ്റ് മേ ബി എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡഡ് ടു. Option A 2 lakh, B 3 lakh, C 5 lakh, D 10 lakh. Answer is 10 lakh. Option D. Next question, if the test reports for the sample of analysis are found to be at variance, whose report shall be considered as final? Option A FSSAI, B Central Laboratory, C referral laboratory, D food analyst. Answer is option D food analyst. Next question, according to FSSA, penalty for food containing extraneous matter may be extended to. Option A 1 lakh rupees, B 2 lakh rupees, C 3 lakh rupees, D 5 lakh rupees. Answer is 1 lakh rupees. Option A. Next, according to FSSA, penalty for failure to comply with the directions of food safety officer may be extended to. Option A 1 lakh rupees, B 2 lakh rupees, C 3 lakh rupees, D 5 lakh rupees. Answer is 2 lakh rupees. Option B. Next question, according to FSSA, penalty for unhygienic or unsanitary processing or manufacturing of food may extend to. Option A 1 lakh, B 2 lakh, C 3 lakh, D 5 lakh rupees. Answer 1 lakh rupees. Option A. Last question, according to FSSA, penalty for adulterant in food is. Option A 1 lakh, B 2 lakh, C 3 lakh, D 5 lakh rupees. Answer is 2 lakh rupees. Thank you.